Here's an extra step you can take. So now that there's a hole there, take some caulking. I'm not going to use silicone because I want to be able to paint it, but this is black. I'll go right down in that hole and put some caulking in there. And then put these in. And then that caulking is going to come out, and I'm just going to clean it up. That's going to make a nice seal. And the reason I'm taking this extra step is because right there you can see a small gap, so I want to seal that up. Any little thing like that that I can prevent water from getting in is going to be beneficial. Now with these set screws, might as well put some caulking in here. All right, here you can see water could sneak in here. I'll caulk that in. Cut this off. Try and do it nice and tight. And then finally, you just run a bead right around here.